Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss an example for function and graph. Given the function fx we have equals to 3 over x squared minus 4, and the function for f rho g is equals to 3 over x minus 5. So question asks us to find the gx. So here we have f rho g is equals to 3 over x minus 5. So if it refers to the situation, we're going to substitute the function for the gx into the function for the f. So in this case, we are going to use the let situation, or we can say substitute. So kindly substitute the gx into the function of f. So here we have 3 over, so in here we have g squared, and then minus 4 equals to, we have 3 over x minus 5. So kindly cross multiply and then simplify. So here we have x minus 5. Then we have the g squared minus 4. Rearrange. So again we have g squared equals to, we have x minus 5 plus with the 4. So here we have x minus 1, where we have g squared. Continue. In order to find the g, so we have gx is equals to square root for x minus 1. Why there is no negative, only positive? Because here they mentions that x must be greater than 0. So that is the function for gx. State the domain. So we have x minus 1 greater equals to 0. So x greater equals to 1. So the domain for the g is equals to 1 until infinity. So that is the answer for A. Curly refers to B, shows that g inverse exists. How to show that g inverse exists? Means that we are going to use the one-to-one function. So g bracket x sub 1 equals to g bracket x sub 2. So kindly substitute the g. So we have the square root x sub 1 minus 1 equals to the square root x sub 2 minus 1. Square both sides. So if it's square both sides, we have x sub 1 minus 1 equals to x sub 2 minus 1. Then we have the situation x sub 1 equals to x sub 2. Since we have x sub 1 equals to x sub 2, shows that gx is one-to-one function. Then we can say g inverse of x exists. Next, find the g inverse and its domain. So let y is equals to gx. So g inverse of y is equals to x. So y equals to the gx, where we have square root x minus 1. Square both sides. So if it's square both sides, we have y squared equals to x minus 1. So x is equals to y squared plus with the 1. So g inverse of the y is equals to y squared plus with the 1. G inverse of x is equals to x squared plus with the 1. So that is the g inverse, and the domain would be start from 0 until infinity. So that is the domain for the g inverse. Curly refers to C. Find the value of A and B if the hx is equals to ax plus b, such that we have h rho g inverse is equals to 5x squared plus with the 12. Now we are looking for the external function for the hx. So kindly make use of the let situation. So here let the y is equals to g inverse. So the g inverse is equals to x squared plus with the 1. Express x as a subject. So y minus 1 equals to x squared. So x is equals to square root. We have y minus 1. So kindly substitute the situation. H bracket, we have the g inverse, where we have the x squared plus with the 1, which is equals to 5x squared plus with the 12. Let's say here we have the situation which is equals to y. So h bracket, we have the y equals to 5 bracket, we have the x squared. So in here we have square root y minus 1 bracket square plus with the 12. If we simplify, we have 5 bracket y minus 1 plus with the 12. So 5y minus 5 plus with the 12. Then we have 5y plus with the 7, which is hy. So hx is equals to 5x plus with the 7. Then we can compare the situation hx, which is equals to ax plus with the b. So based on the situation, we can say that a is equals to 5 and then b is equals to 7. Or the second method, so here we have h rho the g inverse of x, which is equals to 5x squared plus with the 12. As we all know, the hx is ax plus b. So means that substitute the g inverse into the function of hx. So meaning that we have a bracket g inverse plus with the b. So from here we can compare the situation. What is the g inverse? So the g inverse is x squared plus with the 1. So a bracket x squared plus with the 1 plus with the b equals to 5x squared plus with the 12. So if we expand, ax squared plus with the a plus with the b equals to 5x squared plus with the 12. So then we can compare the coefficient. So 5 is equals to a. Then the a plus with the b equals to 12. Since a is equals to 5, so we can substitute 5 plus with the b equals to 12. So b is equals to 7. So that is another method. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.